Hey everyone, and welcome back to Driveline, your go-to destination for honest bike reviews, detailed breakdowns, and the latest updates from the world of two-wheelers and beyond. Today, we're putting the spotlight on one of India's most popular commuter motorcycles, the 2026 Honda Shine 125. This bike has earned a strong reputation for reliability, smooth performance, and everyday practicality, and for 2026, Honda has made thoughtful upgrades to keep it competitive in a busy 125 cubic centimeters segment. Whether you're considering a new ride for daily commuting or just curious about what the latest Shine has to offer, this video will break down everything you need to know. Brain a legendary commuter, why the Shine 125 matters. The Honda Shine nameplate has been around for years, winning hearts with its fuss-free operation and solid build quality. It's the kind of motorcycle that doesn't try to be flashy, instead, it focuses on what matters most. Dependable performance, low running costs, rider comfort, and excellent fuel efficiency. Over time, the Shine 125 has become a favorite among daily commuters, students, and anyone seeking a comfortable and reliable motorbike for city and occasional highway riding. The 2026 model keeps this spirit alive while bringing in refined features and updates to enhance the overall riding experience. Artist palette design and exterior, classic shape with modern touches. Looking at the 2026 Honda Shine 125, you'll immediately notice its familiar silhouette, sleek, commuter-friendly, and purpose-built. Honda hasn't strayed far from the design language that made this bike a hit, but there are subtle refinements that give it a fresher look. The headlamp assembly now features LED lighting, which boosts night visibility and gives the bike a more contemporary front profile. The fuel tank gets sharper contours, and the graphics have been updated to reflect a sportier yet refined aesthetic. The seat has a slightly wider design for enhanced rider comfort, and the tail